How to use Samsung Internet like a pro. If you want to use the Samsung Internet browser like a pro, right? And there are actually some of the features that you can absolutely utilize within it. So let's say you're browsing through some type of article which is quite long and you just want to view the summary. You can utilize its latest AI feature by tapping on this little AI icon from the bottom center of the browser and just tapping on this button that says summarize. So when you tap on summarize, it will summarize the article that you're currently reading. If summarization is not enough, you can also choose to translate it by tapping on this little translate icon right here itself, or by tapping on this icon and choosing to translate it to any of the other languages that you prefer. So these are simply some of the ways. Samsung Internet also has some add-ons and ad blockers that you can use. So you can get ad block for Samsung Internet and other options. These are supported by Samsung themselves, so there's really no need for you to worry about. You can go to add-ons. You can choose to download discount and saving add-on, which will search for the latest discounts on the latest e-commerce sites that you're trying to shop from. And these are some of the ways that you can go ahead and then basically use Samsung Internet like a pro. I hope the video helped you. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.